it gives you control. It gives you back control of the banking function of your life. So most importantly with that is, when I say control, you have full control over the loans with these policies. There's no set repayment schedule. Now the life insurance carrier will set an interest rate and you can't change that, but you have full control on how you want to go about making repayments. So you're not locked in to this rigid repayment schedule, which could be very powerful, especially if your business goes through different seasons of cash flow and maybe you can't commit back to a repayment at a specific time or for a month. Then that's totally okay. You can decide how you want to go about that. The second thing is it's safe and liquid. So it's safe because it has creditor protections if you were to get sued, any lawsuits and judgments. For most states, the cash value, either a portion of it or all of it, is completely protected. And the other safety part to it is it's a non-correlated asset. It's not tied to the stock market. So regardless of what the market's doing, there's contractual guarantees in place that the cash inside of the policy is going to continue to grow every single year, guaranteed, which is very powerful. And then the liquidity piece to it. So you can access this policy, the money in there, at any point in time. There's no 59.5 rule like with traditional retirement accounts where you're penalized if you access the money before 59.5. There's none of that here. So you can dump money in, and relatively quickly you can go back and access that money and then utilize that for opportunities. So that's, and then the last part with that is it's tax advantage. So it's tax advantage. The way it works is the money that goes into it, it's all after tax dollars. So you already paid tax on that money. And then if you set it up in a specific manner, it's gonna grow tax deferred, which is powerful because obviously as that money is growing tax deferred, you're not going to get a 1099 each year. You're not going to have to pay interest on the gains. It's tax deferred. So that's very, very powerful. You're not going to have that tax bill. And then the way you can access it tax-free, which is the most important part to this strategy, is the way you access it tax-free is via policy loans. And there's a part I'm going to talk about in a second. So that's the three main advantages to it. And then the thing I wanted to highlight next is basically, business owners, real estate investors, wealthy families. I mean, they've been utilizing this strategy for a very long time, for over a century. And I just made a video the other week from filming this one about the Rockefeller waterfall system. And their system uses exactly what we're covering today, utilizing a whole life insurance policy. So this isn't a new strategy. It's nothing new under the sun. It's been around for a long time. It's just not really talked about. And a lot of times when it is talked about, it's not positioned the right way, and there's a lot of misconceptions. So we're gonna break all that down right now. So what is the cash value? So the cash value inside of a whole life insurance policy, think of that as simply a savings account inside of a life insurance policy. So when you make a premium payment into this, a portion of your premium is gonna go towards the cost of insurance and administrative fees. And then the other portion, or what's left, is gonna go towards your cash value or the savings account within your policy. And the way that cash value grows is there's two different ways. Number one is, like I touched on earlier, there's a guaranteed rate that you're going to be getting. So every insurance carrier is different, but they'll say, hey, in the contract, they might say, hey, you're gonna get a 3% guaranteed rate of return on this money. So you have a guaranteed rate of return, and that's powerful because, again, every single year, your policy is going to go up at least by that guaranteed rate. So worst case scenario, the whole world goes into shambles, you're going to get that 3% as long as the life insurance carrier is still around. And the life insurance carriers that we work with have been around for 100+ years, and they're just flush with cash, to say the least. So that's that. And then the other component of the cash value of how you can earn interest, if you're with a mutual insurance carrier, which is very, very powerful. That's all we work with when it comes to this strategy, is mutual insurance carriers, and we're looking for dividend paying whole life insurance. So with these mutual life insurance carriers, they'll pay a dividend each year on top of that guaranteed rate. So you might have a guaranteed rate of 3%, and you might have a dividend of another 3%. So your total crediting for that year might be 6%. Now, it's important to keep in mind that 6% that you're getting credited to you, that's a gross crediting rate. So that's the amount credited to your policy before they take out costs, so your insurance costs and administrative fees. So after cost, your net or your internal rate of return over time will be more like in that 3.5 to 4.5, maybe 5% range. I like to set expectations reasonably, and that if it's set up in this manner, that's what you can expect. But that's very important to notate. So that's how your cash value actually grows, is again, you get a guaranteed rate of return, and then the company will, a mutual insurance carrier that is, they'll have a dividend on top of that. So that's how it grows. And then most importantly with all this, like we talked about, is that cash value, as that's building and over time, you have the ability to access that money.